Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are out here in Buffalo, right across from the casino. We're continuing with our information about this right here, but today we have good news. So thank you for watching our series here. We are the NCREASE Elite Income Builders. We help individuals with their financial situation due to the pandemic. Maybe you can't go to work or things like that, but today we're telling you that the virus has eased down and you can go back to work. Everything is getting better. So we are the NCREASE Elite Builders. We help people with their income. So today we're talking about HFX. That is a way of trading. And so, even though we're across from a casino, what do they do at the casinos? Well, they gamble. And some people, they misunderstand that, okay, well, isn't HFX trading, is that also gambling? But we're here to tell you, nope, it's not gambling. So watch the video after this right here, because they're going to describe to you what HFX trading is and how it is not gambling. Because we are the NCREASE Elite Income Builders. We help individuals all over the world with their financial situation. We are a very unique company, so check us out. Also, at the end of this video, they're going to describe who they are, and they're waiting to hear from you because they have some contact information they would like to relate to you to help you out with your financial situation. Because we are the NCREASE Elite Income Builders. We have members all over the world. We love helping individuals with their financial situation. So thank you for watching this video, and also watch the video after this. They can describe what is HFX trading is, and you should get involved, because if you want to earn income, if you want to make money within 30 seconds of trading, you got to get on it. So thank you very much for watching this video. We're going to continue to tell everyone about the virus, you know, if you're being affected by it, struggling financially. We are the Elite Income Builders. We help individuals all over the world with their financial situation. So thank you for watching this video, and contact the information, the person below. They're going to have the information below this video. Contact them. They're waiting to hear from you. Okay, have a blessed day and stay safe.
Hey, what's up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world here, because we've got a pretty exciting business opportunity here that a lot of us have definitely started this month. And let me tell you, a lot is definitely going on. I am like super excited about what's been happening. My name is Stephen Rachel here. Let me check something here really quick here. But my name is Stephen Rachel here. I'm going to be your host here. I'm going to go over some information that can really make a difference if you're looking for a way to make some serious money from home in 2021 and beyond, actually. So not just for this year, but next year and the year after that. I'm going to show you a skill that you can actually acquire that can allow you to make money from home. All you need is a computer, right? Got a computer here, right? So, you know, my laptop right here, or maybe even your phone or tablet or whatever. All you need is that with access to the internet, and you can definitely do it. You don't need any special, you know, marketing skills or anything like that. I know a lot of people are looking for different ways of how they can make money from home without having to convince anybody to do anything, without having to sell or twist anybody's arm to do anything, without having to recruit people. Hey, I've got something that's pretty exciting that's going to be able to meet whatever your need is. So whatever you're looking to do, we've got something for you. Okay. It doesn't matter what your background is. Doesn't matter what you know or don't know. As long as you got a computer with access to the internet, and I'll throw in one thing, a finger, so you can click a button, you can definitely do this particular opportunity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump right into it. Let's just go ahead and get started here really quick. I got a lot to cover here, but I definitely want to make sure that you guys get all the information, and you're going to really thank the person that invited you to this webinar here so you can see all this information. So let's jump right into it. Give me 1 second here, and we're going to kick this thing off. Let me change my screen here. 1 second, and here we go. Here, let me move something around here. All right, perfect. Okay, so who are we? Again, we are Team Elevate. Shout out to everybody on the team. Shout out to everybody that's on the team that's making money from home. We got a lot of people on our team making money from home now. It's just truly incredible. I've never seen anything like this in terms of what we've been able to do in a very short period of time. And our team, Team Elevate, we have a lot of training. We have a lot of tools. We have a lot of systems. We got a lot of bells and whistles, a lot of gadgets, kind of like Batman. We got a lot of things in our utility belt that can help a lot of people to make some serious residual income or even daily income. So I'm going to break it down for you. Let me show you really quick here. So we've got a new business opportunity here that our group is sharing. The great thing about it is, like I've been saying, it requires you to do no recruiting, no selling, no convincing, and of course, no headache if you don't want to. So I'm speaking to the people right now that don't want to do any selling, don't want to do any recruiting, don't want to do any convincing, don't want to do any explaining. You just want a way to how you can make money from home without you talking to anybody. Guess what? I've got it. Okay? Pay close attention to this because you're going to get all the information. Now, we've got that for those individuals because some of you, that's what you're looking for. Then we got something for people that want to create residual income. Guess what? We've got that. Okay. We've got a way that can require you to share and do some different things if you want to. It's not required, but if you do, we got a way how you can make, how you can make some serious residual income with an automated system that pays weekly and that can allow you to make $125 a week all the way up to $250,000 a week. Okay. Right now. Okay. This is what we got. So we're meeting both needs here. Now, myself, I like having, a skill that can allow me to do these types of things as well. And even on the other side, so left and right, I'm both, right? But whatever side of the business you want to focus on, what is binary options? What do they do? Well, mainly it's basically a strategy. It's a trading strategy. Now, hold on. Don't leave. I know I said trading strategy. And some of you are like, oh, there you go again. That's too complicated. Nope. Stay where you're at. Don't go anywhere because binary options and HFX is so simple. Anybody can do this. This is a way on how you can make money from home without having to talk to anybody. We got people doing it right now as we're speaking. Hold on one second. Somebody just got paid with HFX and binary options on our team right now. Wait. Somebody else just got paid with HFX and binary options, and all they had to do was hit a button. Okay, I'm going to show you how this works. Let me kind of break it down for you. It's really, really simple. It's kind of like playing a video game. I know a lot of you like playing video games and all that stuff, Xbox, PlayStation, games on your phone and tablet and computer and all that stuff. But with this one here, you can actually make money with this kind of video game, okay? And it's a lot easier than most of those video games that you're playing right now, okay? It's really, really simple. It's easy to set up, pays out fast. Like, since I've been talking over the last 30 seconds, someone on our team just got paid in binary options again, okay? That's how fast we actually get paid here. No complicated calculations to figure out, no complicated apps to download. And of course, there's no overwhelm. So that's why I said, don't go anywhere. I said trading, but don't go anywhere. Stay in your seat, watch, okay? Because there's no overwhelm here. Why? Because when I say trading, I mean, I'm trading HFX and binary options. So that's super, super easy. And you're going to find out how that works. Let me kind of break it down for you really quick here. Okay. This is an illustration. I'm going to break down what the HFX strategy is, or binary options. Remember, they're the same thing. So I'm going to break down what this strategy is and how you can do it. And anybody that's watching, if you're watching this live or you're watching the replay, you can actually do this. Let me kind of show you how this works here. So you got 0 seconds that represents here, 30 seconds on this side right here, and everything in between right here is just time. So 0 seconds goes all the way to the finish line. That's basically 30 seconds. So this just represents 30 seconds of time. Make sense? Okay. Now, when we're trading HFX, there's a lot of different things that you can trade. Currencies, gold, silver, oil, currency pairs, and of course, even companies like McDonald's and Facebook and all these different type of companies. I'm sure everybody here has heard of Apple. Okay. Guess what? We can trade Apple. I like trading Apple here with HFX. I'm having really good luck with Apple. and some other ones as well. Okay, but kind of give you an example here. We're going to trade some Apple stock. We're going to do an example here. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so pay close attention. Okay, now when you're trading at HFX, depending on whatever you're trading, whether it's oil, whether it's gold, silver, currency pairs, whatever, right? Each item is going to come with what they call a payout percentage. Okay, for example, okay, in this example here, let's say if I was going to trade some Apple stock using the HFX strategy, let's say, for example, they're going to pay out a 92% payout. Okay, and this number can change. It could be 80% one day. It could be 70% the next day. Let's say it's 92%. And I've actually traded Apple stock with HFX while it was at 92%, a 92% payout. And remember, this number can fluctuate, okay, depending on whatever you're doing. Okay, now, let's say, for example, we're going to do a $100 trade, okay, for 30 seconds. We're going to do a 30-second, trade of Apple stock, and we're only going to trade $100. Now, basically, so what do you mean by trading? What are you doing? Well, let me kind of give you an example. We're either typically buying, okay, we're going to either buy a trade, right, or we're either going to sell. Meaning, if I'm buying, if I'm going to do a $100 buy of Apple stock with a $100 trade, I'm basically predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. And at the end of those 30 seconds, if the price of Apple stock is actually higher and my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money. I can even predict if Apple stock is going to go down in the next 30 seconds. And if my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money as well. So here in HFX, we can make money if the price is going up. We can make money if the price is going down. Just all depends on what you're trading, okay, and how you want to trade. Now, let me kind of give you an example here. We're going to do a buy here, okay? I'm giving you an example of a buy, okay? Now, watch this. Let's say, for example, here, this line here represents the price of Apple stock. Let's say it's whatever. It could be really high up here, or it could be really, really low down here near the bottom. Let's just say when I entered the trade, okay, I entered it right here. So whatever that price might be, okay, hypothetically. And what's going to happen is it's going to, on this little system that we've got, it's going to actually draw an entry line here, and it's going to stretch that line all the way to the finish line, which is what? 30 seconds. So meaning, I'm going to predict, okay, I'm making a prediction here based off of what NCREASE is telling me, our experts are telling me. They're saying, hey, we're predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. Buy, everybody buy, everybody buy. And I'm going to buy right now. So when I hit buy, what's going to happen is going to show this little line. You've seen this line go up and down when it comes to the price of stocks and everything. So it's doing its thing and it's going down. So here, let me pause it. I'm pausing it real quick here. The object of the game is, as long as when this line reaches the finish line here, as long as it's above this entry line right here, guess what? We win the trade. That's the object of the game. That's it. Told you this is easier than, Angry Birds. It's just easy, right? So the object of the game is I'm predicting that the price of the stock of Apple, which is right here, is going to be higher than my line of entry. So it should end up somewhere above this line, okay? Like it is now. So let me hit play again. So it's doing what it's doing. It's moving around. It's doing its thing and all that and everything. And then it finally finishes. And again, it didn't matter that it went down here because all that matters is where it's at the end of the finish, okay? So it finished above that line. So whatever that price is here when I started, but if you look here at the finish, it's actually higher. So what does that mean? I just won $92 in 30 seconds, okay? Now, I know I went a little longer explaining this. It probably took about a few minutes, but in reality, when I hit start, boom, it's going to pay me out a $92 profit because I did a $100 trade. So I just walked away with $192. And guess what, guys? I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to do a three-way phone call. I didn't have to send nobody a link. I didn't have to get on a webinar. I didn't have to do any of that. All I had to do was hit this little green button right here. That's all I did, okay? So that's why I say it doesn't matter what you've done in the past. You can actually do this business, okay? You can actually learn this strategy. Matter of fact, let me show you how this works here. Watch this here. Check this out. Now, here's a live example of actually me doing a live trade of actual Apple stock. Told you I trade Apple all the time. It's one of my favorite ones out of HFX. There's other ones that I use as well. It's not just Apple, but I just happen to have recorded it when I did this. Watch this here. Here's an example. And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a sell. I think I'm going to do a buy here. You see the ball here went down, but it's going to go back up here. So I'm going to predict that it's going to go back up here, and like it's doing now. And I'm just going to enter that trade. So the object of the game is see my line of entry. This is when I just hit the green button. So here's my line of entry. So I got to make sure that this ball stays above this line for the next, I don't know, 15 seconds, which is this line right here. So, so if it can stay above this green line, let's see how much we'll win. I did a $100 trade on Apple stock, and let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna win this trade. I won that trade. How much we win in 30 seconds? Just won 192 bucks. Well, boom. And I did a 30-second trade with a $100 trade for 30 seconds. And all I did, I just hit the green button and just won $192 just like that. And I can do it again and again and again if I want to. So I just made almost a couple $100 in 30 seconds. So that's how simple this is. Simple. Here's a few examples of the other people winning some trades. As you can see, just different currency pairs. The green represents that they won. The white represents the amount that they traded. So you can kind of see, and you can even see some that they lose, just like with any kind of trading strategy. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, but as long as you're winning most of your trades, which is what we teach, we show you how to make those predictions. So most of your trades, you're actually winning. So I think they won 10, I think, and lost. Well, out of 10 trades, look like they lost one. I think the same with this one. I don't know how many this one was, but look, this was Home Depot. They were trading Home Depot here. So really, really simple.
All right, just to show you guys how fast you can make money. I've been in this trade for 1 minute. 1 minute. Boom. Made $180. What I am loving binaries.
Trying to stay above this green line right here, see? So I got in. This we did a 2-minute one, so I got 18 seconds left. Here we go. Come on, we're gonna clear. See, we're up 10 points. Yes, we're clearing. Yes, let's go.
Who got in my 2 trades?
I only got in one of her trades, but here we go. We're gonna clear it.
3 seconds.
Here we go.
All it's gonna do is stay above that green line for 1 minute, and I'm about to make another $280. This is crazy. I love binaries. Boom, $280. This is nuts.
Everyone winning. This is our end of call. Look at all the excitement. All the calls we won. Look at all that. Fire, fire, fire. We're on fire.
All right, guys. All right.
Yes.
With that being said, we had an amazing
Hey guys, look at this. Our chat group is just blowing up tonight. Look at right here. I am done for tonight. Got up to 265. Here we go. Here's proof of this. 183, 102, 102, 57, 32. And this just keeps on going and going and going. Here we go. $9, $9, $9. Proper risk management is part of it. Only use 3 to 5% of your account 126, 108, 72, 64. You know, it just keeps on going on and on. Here's another one. 54, 36, 18, 10. You know, here, I cleared 118, 4 wins, no losses. Basically, what we did, we got off of a Zoom that a person is teaching us binary, and then does live trading with us. If anybody can hit a button, a buy or sell, when a person tells you to, and possibly maybe switch over to 1 minute or 2 minute, hit a buy or sell, that's all these people have been doing. If this is of interest to you, get back to whoever shared this with you, and we'd be happy to show you how exactly we're doing this and get you on our live trading sessions. Little disclaimer, past performance is not predictive of future gains.
Amazing, guys. Tonight, this is my demo account. I'll show you this first. That's what I switched to because I made my money. 4 in a row there, a couple losses, it's okay, but I started this account at 1,000 tonight, and boom, 1,364 I made tonight. I definitely wasn't using risk management on my demo account, but that's what I got on this one. Then if I go to my live account, boom, look at all those from tonight. I'm up, I hit my compounding goal tonight. Bam, look at a couple losses, but didn't let that get me down. 2 losses and what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins. Look at that. Bam.
Here, guys, is definitely not rocket science, but again, like I said, profits disclaimer, past profits don't guarantee future profits. It just goes with anything. I mean, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading, cryptocurrencies or whatever, when it comes to the trading markets, the great thing I love about HFX, it's not that it's any different than any other type of trading strategy. The one thing that makes it different from a lot of other things that I've seen is that the simplicity of it. Okay. That's typically been the roadblock for a lot of people to get into this game, is that it's very complicated, whether it's Forex, whether it's this, whether it's that. And we've got Forex training and all that great stuff here inside of Increase also. However, the great thing about HFX, it levels the playing field. So now everybody can play and you don't need a college degree to figure it out. And that's a great thing that we've got here. And again, with HFX, requires no selling, no recruiting, no auto ship worry, and no problem. Okay. And yes, you can do this. We've got all this actually under our umbrella inside of Increase University, which is what Increase offers us. It's one of our products that we have here. We have several products in several different niches. We're not a Forex company or whatever. We've got a lot of different things. This is one of our exciting products that we do have that's creating a lot of buzz online is the Increase University pack. And inside the Increase University pack, you're going to get access to HFX information, our live trading sessions, trade ideas, increase indicators, and even more even under the Forex training. We have a lot of Forex training as well. So basically going to give you the financial education that you need to be able to make money from home without you having to talk to anyone. Okay, makes sense. This is what that product provides. It provides you a way of how you can make money from home without having to do any recruiting or selling if you don't want to do any of that. And we, of course, as you know, when it comes to trading, there are people that are making hundreds of dollars a day. There are people that are making thousands of dollars a day in trading. There are people that are making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and there are people that are making millions of dollars per day trading. Guess what? And we have that education to show you how to do the same thing.